Hi, I'm Ross Filer. I'm an applications engineer with the Aagard Group in Alexandria, Minnesota. We are an OEM of custom automation equipment with a focus in secondary packaging. What we have here today is a demonstration unit of Aagard's ability to do variety packs with thousands of flavor combinations. What we're doing is using Codian's hardware in a Delta robot and Rockwell's iTrack system to give us the ability to combine the flavors. We're demonstrating using 3 different whip trays or an example of what a whip tray could be, and we're picking the different flavors and combining them on an iTrack bucket. The purpose of the iTrack is to provide that auto changeover capability with the independent car control. And so the bucket collapses at what would be a load station. This system also allows us to change the flavors and the variety packs on the fly. What we have here is our HMI, and this allows you to choose the flavors and combinations you want in your variety pack. All you have to do is go to the correct screen, choose the number of columns that you want, the orientation, and the number of rows. And then we can change the colors in each of those layers. And all I have to do now is hit Run My Recipe Next. And instantaneously, this will create that variety pack that I chose. As I mentioned, this is a demonstration unit of a production machine that Aagard is developing right now that solved a customer's need. We had a customer who needed variety packs at a high rate of speed. They wanted 1 to 6 different flavors and at 1,200 cups a minute. We came up with a system that unloaded their whip trays in 6 different palletizing bays and could run at 100 cases a minute. This is truly an example of Aagard's ability to build a custom automated solution to answer the customer's need for variety packs. Really what this demonstrates is Aagard's ability to custom fit a solution for your needs. Please visit us on our website at www.aagard.com to learn more how we can meet your needs with a custom solution.